Alexandra here, aka the not so evil stepmother, and I'm sorry the lighting is a little wonky today because it's getting darker sooner and I haven't quite figured things out yet. So give me time. I will get it figured out for you, I promise. But excited because I've got a brand new subscription box to unbox for you guys today, and this combines my two favorite things, Halloween and makeup. Cha-ching, right? Okay, so this subscription box is by Glamour Ghoul. It is a monthly subscription box service. You can choose to just buy one, or if you want to do, again, a monthly service, you can. It's $34.95, $7.39 shipping and handling, so it is a little more pricey, $42.34 total, but they do beauty, bath, skincare, and it's all from indie companies, always cruelty free, and then whenever they can also vegan friendly as well. So definitely check them out if you guys get a chance. I did pay for this box. I will tell you guys also that they work on a pre-order basis. Now they did just do a collab with Crate Joy, but they are a smaller company, so you have to pre-order by the 16th of the month, and then that will get you the box the following month. So for instance, I ordered this in September, and then I didn't get it until October. So just throwing that out there. However, Corey, I did email back and forth with her a little bit, trying to figure out when I was gonna get my box and talking to her about all of that. Super sweet, nice, and she made sure I got this box a little sooner than what I should have got it. So I will tell you, their customer service is amazing. And I'm really excited to open this. So let's see. I don't know if there's gonna be like another box inside or how this is gonna work. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside for you guys. I've got some little curly Q paper here. And then, and like I said, I don't know if this is actually September or October's box, or if this was one that she just sent me because I was like, hey, I really would like to get that before the end of October so that I could open it, you know, kind of Halloween theme thing, you know what I'm saying, for my channel. But they do have a cute little card inside. I like it. It's so spooky. And then it's got all of your products on the back. Now I will tell you there are no prices with these products. So I will look those up if I can find them and put them in the description, because they do tell you exactly where they got the products from. So that is kind of nice. I'll set that off to the side there. And then it looks like... So yeah, they've got some little cards. I'm guessing these are from the companies, some of the companies. MyPrettyZombie.com. Yeah, so yeah, these are from some of the companies inside. What is this? Pins and Needles, Altered Clothing Boutique, Alter Band Tees, Accessories, Women. Okay, so it's like a little hair clip thing, little coffin-y hair clip. Very cute. I like it. And it's a bow from Pins and Needles Boutique. So again, she supports smaller companies. So this is a Facebook company, Pins and Needles Company on Facebook.com. So, and that's one thing I really do like about this box is, again, she does support these smaller companies. All right, what is this? Graveyard Dust. Notes of fresh dug earth, rotting coffins, and long forgotten funeral flowers from Wonderland Apothecary. Now you guys know how much I love Alice in Wonderland. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like the little Mad Hatter teacup party thing right here, you know, so it's kind of exciting. Oh, it's a bath bomb powder. And then it's got all your ingredients listed on the bottom here. And this is from Wonderland Apothecary, Graveyard Dust. Okay, so what it sounds like it smells like doesn't sound too hot, so I'm gonna, yeah. Oh, so it's blue. Oh, look at that. My daughter's gonna love this stuff. Oh, it's very, oh wow, it's got like bits of flower. I don't know, can you guys see that? Let me see. It's got like, you see like the little bits of flour in there and stuff? That's pretty cool. That's pretty spiffy. Yeah, see there's another one. Let's see if I can get it to show. Yeah, see? That's pretty cool. I'm a little excited for that. Okay, all right. Next thing here. Do I look pretty? Glutaride blush. It's a blush. Oh, okay. So glutaride, I don't know if I'm saying this right, blush from My Pretty Zombie. Show you guys there. And it's kind of like a, oh, it's all wrapped up. It's very nice and sealed. Glutaride mini brush. Again, it's vegan, not lip safe, eye safe. So you can use it as a blush or an eye. I know some people like to use some eye stuff on their lips. So it says you don't want to do that with this. Let's see. It's kind of like a blue color. I've never seen a blue blush. Let's see if I can do it this way. I can do a little swatchy swatch here. Oh, wow. It is definitely a blue blush, you guys. Like, I was kind of hoping maybe it would change colors. But this is if you really want to go that zombie route. You know, kind of ghosty there, right? So that's kind of cool. I'll definitely be adding this to my Halloween makeup collection because I can literally think of about a dozen things right now. And what's crazy is it's like a powder when it comes out, but when you put it on, it literally goes to like a, oh, I can't even think of what the word would be. Like a, oh, you know, like one of those liquid blushes, you know, like how those are. So yeah, that's kind of interesting. All right, what is this? Apocalyptic Beauty Dancing on Your Grave liquid lipstick. So, and this is again from apocalypticbeautycosmetics.com. Again, there are no prices, so I'm definitely going to check these out to see if this box did value over $42.34, which is what we paid for it. So, let's see if I can get it open here. I do like that, I mean, even though these are from indie brands and smaller companies, they are very nicely sealed where I can't even get them open. So, got no complaints there. And I really just thought this would just be a really fun box to do since, you know, Halloween. Oh, wow. That is black. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. It's black. It kind of smells like licorice in a way, but not like a black licorice, like a, I don't know, bubble. I don't know. It doesn't smell bad at all, but it is definitely black. So again, this is definitely some Halloween makeup that we're getting in here. All right, and then what is this? A cup from the Glamour Ghoul box. So this is actually a cup from Glamour Ghoul itself. Just a nice little plastic cup with the little, one of their little insignias on there. And I think that's everything in the box. Yes, that is everything in the box. Okay, opinion time. All right, let me think about this for a second. All right, so I haven't really price checked all of these items, but I feel like for $42.34, that's a higher up, definitely box, more expensive box. I feel like with the items that are in this box, this should probably be more of like a $20 box. It's just me. Again, I haven't really checked out any of these companies or their prices on these items, but I'm definitely going to do that, and I will put all of that information in the description down below. But, you know, the other thing is, you know, the whole pre-order process and the fact that you have to order this before the 16th to get it by the end of the following month. And this is really kind of very Halloween-y. Like, you know, I was kind of hoping to get some usable makeup that maybe had, you know, like, for instance, the Dancing on Your Grave lipstick. Like, if this would have been in a different color, like a usable color, that I could use year round. And this would be definitely kind of cute and something, a subscription box that you could use year round. Same thing with the blush, you know, if, you know, this would have been a pink or a peachy or, you know, any color blush but blue, you know, I could definitely see using this as a year-round subscription. So I feel like this is definitely more Halloween makeup geared, Halloween theme geared. And the thing that stinks about that is, you know, when you get in the Halloween kind of mood, which is, you know, September, October, it's already too late by then to get October's box. So that kind of stinks a little bit, and I feel like kind of, you know, is maybe the reason why they're not a little more popular than what they would be. I think price point's a big part of it, definitely. And then, of course, you know, the items in the box, you know, it's just very Halloween themed. Now, granted, you can use the blush for your eyes and things like that, you know, and have a really cool blue eyeshadow. However, I don't know how well that would work on your lid because like I said, it starts off as a powder, but it definitely kind of goes liquidy on you for sure when you're putting it on. So, you know, this is my 2 cents about the subscription box. So you guys take it for what it's worth. Before I go real fast, I do want to have a shout out to Mercedes. She sent me a couple things, and this was one of them. And I was like, oh my gosh. Like, y'all know, but y'all just don't, like, because, so I am going to officially place her right here in my little cabinet of Harley Quinn things. I feel like she kind of evens it out because I had one little one on that side and then the 2 and 1 in the middle. So now I've got, you know, I feel like it's balanced now, right? Balance. It's all in the balance of things, the feng shui of it, right? All right, so that's all I have for you guys today. Stay tuned because I definitely have more unboxings coming up and some collaborations with companies and just I've got all kinds of goodies for you guys. So I love you and I'll see you later. Bye.